Our next question is 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 and 2x plus y is equal to 13. So let's number this equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 will be our first equation and 2x plus y is equal to 13 will be our second equation. Here in both equations, first variable 2x is common. So we are going to subtract equation 2 from 1. So let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. 2x plus y is equal to 13. Here both terms are positive. So when subtracting, each positive term will become negative. So here 2x will be cancelled. Minus 3y and minus y will become minus 4y, because where two negative numbers are added, the answer will get minus sign. Is equal to 9 minus 30 will become minus 4, because 13 is bigger number, so answer will get the sign of bigger number. So let's divide both sides by minus 4. Minus 4y upon minus 4 is equal to minus 4 upon minus 4. Here minus 4 will be cancelled, y will remain. Here minus 4 will be cancelled and 1 will remain. So here we get the value of y is equal to 1. So let place this value of y, place y is equal to 1 in equation 2. Because here y is positive, so we will get easy answer. In equation 2. So what is our equation 2? 2x plus y is equal to 13 is our equation 2. So here 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. So we have to subtract both sides by minus 1 to eliminate this one. 2x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 13 minus 1. Here 1 will be cancelled and become 0. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 1 is 12. Now divide both sides by 2 to eliminate this 2. Here 2 will be cancelled, x will remain, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So value of x is 6. So our solution is x comma y is equal to 6 comma